This video will cover the new AADUser Virtual Table, which allows you to include any user in your Azure Active Directory in your records. First, a brief introduction of virtual tables. Virtual tables are tables that are created in Dataverse and look and act like a Dataverse table, but the data is stored in another data source. In this case, the data is stored in AAD. Once a virtual table is created, you can use data from that table in PowerApps just like any other data table. Because this table is connected to the Azure Active Directory on your organization, any user that has an account in the directory will be listed. This is different than the user column in Dataverse today that will only show users who have been assigned a Dataverse license. At this time, only individual users are shown. Groups cannot be shown or selected. The AADUser Virtual Table is available by default in all Dataverse organizations. No additional work is needed to enable or configure it. The easiest way to use this table is as a lookup. In an existing table, select Add Column, choose a data type of lookup, and you will see AADUser as an available related table. Select it and click Done. Save the table. Now, when you include the field in an app, you will see that in the lookup, you can select any users from your Azure Active Directory. You can see what columns are present on the AADUser table by going to your table list, changing the view to all, and selecting the table. As you can see, a lot of information can be retrieved from AAD at this time for each user selected, including business phone, city, given name, job title, and mail, which is the email address. And there's also many more. The Outofbox APIs also allow you to interact with the AADUser table with additional parameters such as filter and select and more complicated features. A full list of available APIs and examples are available in the online documentation. For more information about Dataverse, check out our other videos.